In this problem, we have to find the number of distinct numbers formed by using the digit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it is also given that the odd positions are occupied by odd digits. So if you can see here, there are total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits are there. Which means that the odd places are occupied, which means first place, third place, fifth place and seventh place are occupied by odd digits, which means that the even places that is given as this one and this one and this one. So there are total number of 3 even places that we have, and there are total number of 4 odd places that we have. So we will do the permutation separately for even digit and odd digits. So we will write it as equal to, for taking the odd digit we will write it as equal to 4 factorial, and for taking the even digit we will write it as equal to 3 factorial. Since this is the theory of multiplication that we will use, so we will multiply these two values and you will get your answer, and the answer that is given as 4 factorial multiplied with 3 factorial. So let's solve this one. So 4, 3, 2, and here you will write 3 into 2. So you will get 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36. 36 is getting multiplied with 4. So you will get 4 6 are 24, you will get the value as 2, and 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 you will get the value as 14. So the answer that you will get, that is equal to 144.